Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Valorant error code 9003. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue VAN9003 while playing the Valorant game, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, if you have installed the Valorant, you will see a icon on your desktop. I have not installed the Valorant in my PC, so it's not showing. Suppose if this is your Valorant icon, just right click on that and click on properties. You can see your compatibility, just click on that. Just check mark this option, run this program in a compatibility mode and select the last OS, Windows 8, and click on apply and click OK. After that, the another method you need to do is you just need to enable secure boot option in your laptop or PC. Guys, you need to enable secure boot option in your laptop or desktop. Guys, you can see here under system configuration you will find secure boot option. You just need to select the secure boot option and you should enable this option. Guys, another one thing, it will depend on which brand of laptop or desktop you are using. You need to search the BIOS setting where secure boot is displayed and select the secure boot option as enabled. After enabling secure boot, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant VAN9003. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.